Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a good weekend. We had the active weather Saturday with the rain, even that snow that came through. We had, in some locations, over an inch of snow Saturday evening. Kind of crazy for the next to last day of March. But hey, we've got good news in this forecast. A warming trend in the forecast this week. Our next chance of rain will come on Thursday. And we're looking ahead to next weekend because we've got some fantastic temperatures coming up here. Temperatures look to be close to 70 degrees for high temperatures next weekend. So thank goodness. Looks like spring is finally going to make its presence known here across the area. So let's take a look at that forecast. Again, it's going to be a pretty nice week this week. We're going to see dry weather today through Wednesday and warming temperatures as well. We should reach the mid-40s this afternoon, mid-50s Tuesday, and temperatures Wednesday will be close to 60. Thursday a bit cooler with rain showers around, so Thursday is going to be our wet day this week. And then I think as we go into Friday, we're going to clear things back out a bit. We'll end those rain chances and we'll keep Friday and Saturday dry, partly cloudy. Temperatures 62 Saturday, 62 Friday, 66 Saturday, and then 70 degrees as we go into next Sunday. And that will come with another chance of rain on Sunday. We'll fine tune that as we get closer. But again, not a bad week of weather setting up here. We'll look forward to the warm temperatures, especially for the upcoming weekend. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.